Voiceover script. The Insurance Payout Murder. Dallas. On a quiet September morning in Dallas, Texas, a desperate 911 call brought police to an elegant suburban home. Inside, they found 38-year-old investment consultant Daniel Brooks lying lifeless in his home office. At first, it looked like a tragic home invasion gone wrong. A broken window, an open drawer, and a missing watch suggested that a burglar had interrupted Daniel while he was working. But Detective Marcus Reed noticed something everyone else missed. The broken glass was outside the house, not inside. Someone had staged the crime scene. As investigators dug deeper, they uncovered a shocking discovery. Just 4 months before his death, Daniel had increased his life insurance policy to $5 million, naming his wife, Emily, as the sole beneficiary. The medical examiner soon confirmed that Daniel hadn't died of natural causes. He had been poisoned with a rare drug that mimicked a heart attack, making the murder almost impossible to detect. Friends revealed that Daniel had recently become suspicious of his wife's behavior. A private investigator hired by Daniel had secretly photographed Emily meeting another man, Ryan Carter, a local personal trainer. Phone records exposed thousands of text messages between the two. One message stood out above the rest. Everything changes after Friday. Friday was the day Daniel died. Financial records painted an even darker picture. Emily was buried in debt, owing hundreds of thousands of dollars. If Daniel divorced her, she would receive very little. But if he died, she would inherit millions. Police searched Ryan's home and discovered gloves, receipts for the rare poison, and handwritten financial calculations showing exactly how the insurance money would be spent. The final piece of evidence came from security cameras and GPS data, placing Ryan outside Daniel's home just before the murder. At trial, prosecutors presented text messages, surveillance footage, forensic evidence, and expert testimony. After only a few hours of deliberation, the jury found both Emily Brooks and Ryan Carter guilty of murder, conspiracy, and insurance fraud. They were sentenced to life in prison. Detective Reed later reflected on the case with one unforgettable sentence. It wasn't the poison. It wasn't the money. It was the broken window. The smallest detail revealed the biggest lie. Sometimes, the perfect crime isn't undone by a confession. It's undone by a single mistake.